Ever sat in a gorgeous first-class seat or a luxury resort cabana, pump parts ready, only to get absolutely nothing? You are not losing your supply, mama. Your body is just in survival mode. Today we are talking about why travel stress completely blocks your letdown, and the bougie hacks to fix it. Welcome back to Milky Way Travels, your ultimate guide to luxury travel and motherhood without the stress. We believe you can chase sunsets and breastfeed without losing your mind. Grab your favorite iced latte, and let's spill the tea on how to keep that liquid gold flowing even when traveling gets chaotic. Let's look at the science. Your letdown reflex is entirely driven by oxytocin, the love and relaxation hormone. But when you are running through the airport trying not to lose your designer stroller or worrying about TSA lines, your body pumps out cortisol and adrenaline. These stress hormones literally block oxytocin from doing its job. Your milk is there, but your brain is refusing to release it. It is a biological survival mechanism, but when you have a flight to catch, it is incredibly frustrating. Recognizing this is step 1. It is not a you problem, it is a cortisol problem. So how do we trick our brains back into relaxation mode while traveling? It starts with creating a sensory bubble of luxury, even in a busy airport. Ditch the cramped family restrooms and head straight to a high-end nursing suite, or better yet, use your credit card perks to access the luxury lounge. Slip on your noise-cancelling headphones, put on a playlist that relaxes you, and wrap yourself in a cashmere travel wrap. Smelling a piece of your baby's clothing or looking at a cute video of them on your phone is an absolute game changer. It triggers that oxytocin rush instantly, signaling to your brain that you are safe, cozy, and ready to let down. Next up is lowering your cognitive load with the right gear. Fumbling with cords and heavy pumps at 30,000 feet is a one-way ticket to Stress City. Invest in a sleek, cordless wearable pump like the LV or Willow that slips right into your designer diaper bag. Pair it with a top-tier travel chiller like the Sears Chill to keep your milk cold for 24 hours without dealing with melting ice. When you know your gear is premium and your milk is safe, your brain stops worrying about the logistics, allowing your body to do what it does best. It is all about making the process feel like a self-care ritual rather than a chore. You deserve to travel the world and keep your breastfeeding journey thriving. If you want more high-end travel tips and real talk motherhood hacks, hit that subscribe button right now. Leave a comment below with your favorite travel destination, and share this with a breastfeeding mama who needs to hear this today. See you in the next video, mamas. Safe travels.